Hello beautiful family. So today I'm doing an unboxing video. This I got from originalmamabetty.com. Okay, originalmamabetty.com. Mama Betty is a YouTuber. Okay, so this is the black one, and this is the color I chose. Well, I hope that's the color I chose. Okay, so let's unbox this together. Do I have my things ready? Well, I'm gonna use my hand. Okay, so OMS, Original Mama Betty Spices. Okay, I think so, but she's got spices as well. Check her channel out. I've got other pots I bought from her, which I'm going to show you later on. So let's do this together. Unboxing haul. Ooh. Okay. And wait. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so this is the 26cm tava. Mama Betty, the trashy. Ooh, this is the frying pan. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. Oh my god, look at this color. Look at this color. Oh, and it's durable, hey? Quality, no. Oh my god, guys, check Mama Betty out. I'll put it here later. We're gonna assemble everything. Wow, so 26cm. Okay, let's move on. We're not wasting time on this video. What's I say? Let's wear the weigh 20cm. Should be a pot there. Hey, more, oh my god, it's the quality for me, honestly. It's the quality for me. Packaging, delivery, come on. It takes, I think she delivers within 2 weeks. Oh my god, look. OMS. Guys, get ready. Oh, look at this. Just look at this. Die cast. El boss. Oh, you stay here. Wow. Yeah, come on, Kasa. Box no baby corner. Okay, let's move on to the other one. So this is it so far. Wow. Oh, it's the color. We're very saying. Your fresh color we say mon come in you, because it's a very nice color. Tell me the name of the color for your Christmas gift. I am not telling you. So tell me the color, and I'll send you your Momo, your Western Union, whatever. Look at this. Oh my god. Well, mommy, yeah, I'm the best. Oh, Mama Betty. Mama Betty. Mama Betty. Let's check the centimeter. Let's see the centimeters. This one is 24, so larger than it was here. It was a kind of cray. Equally. So tell me the name of the color and come for your prize. Christmas is coming. Be generous. So the last pot is 26. So this is a 4-piece set. Oh, 4-piece. Hey, come on. 26, right? 26. See what box on. See for me. Let me find it. I'm in Tetin. Equi. Now, Betty. Forget it. Me pencil. Easy so be cry. Look at this one. We made the chanya do a stew. Hey, it was saying. It was saying. This is the 26th, right? And I'm this is the 24th. Hey, don't go. Yes, it was there. It's the quality die cast. Hey, 4-piece set. So tell me the color of this set and come for your gift. I'm not joking. It's Christmas giveaway. Running some the hair lady OMS. Well packaged, well branded. It was here. So this is what I have for you. Look. This is what I have for you. Oh my god. Look at the quality. This is so nice. Thank you. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and watch out for my new recipes. What I say? Or what you like, you share, then you subscribe as usual, right? As I said earlier. Thank you so much. Thank you. Look, one good thing is that one of the lids can cover the frying pan. Isn't this nice? Guys, rush and get yours. So go on Google and type original mamabetty.com cooking pots, or check her channel out on YouTube. Trust me, it's worth the amount I paid.